If you're looking to get the Peloton but have no interest in the subscription, the bike comes with a minimalistic Just Ride mode. When setting up the Peloton for the first time, you can see the option of the Just Ride or take 3 sample classes at durations at 15, 20, and 30 minutes as shown here. If you made it this far, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. It'll help the channel grow and allow me to produce more content that you'll enjoy. If you use any of these options, you can still see the metrics like the cadence, wattage, distance, and more, as you can see at the bottom of the screen. On the other hand, if you want more features, you should go ahead and buy this subscription. However, Peloton doesn't offer free 7-day trials. In my Peloton review, I mentioned these features in greater detail. The link is in the top right corner of this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next episode.